Daily News Brief.
Alibaba's fall and rise, from Ant Group's collapse to China's AI vanguard. Oil prices fall as Russia-Ukraine peace progress lifts global market sentiment. Vietnam's digital economy surges to $39 billion, leading Southeast Asia in AI adoption. Alibaba's fall and rise, from Ant Group's collapse to China's AI vanguard. The past 5 years of Alibaba mark a turbulent journey, beginning with the shock cancellation of Ant Group's IPO in 2020, wiping out over $400 billion in market value and pushing Jack Ma out of the public eye. As China tightened control over tech firms and domestic competition intensified, many believed Alibaba's glory days were over. Yet, under returning leaders Eddie Wu and Zhou Cai, the company underwent massive restructuring and doubled down on artificial intelligence. In fact, Alibaba had quietly invested in AI since 2016 and gained momentum during the pandemic, developing open-source models now widely used worldwide. From the downfall of Ant Group, Alibaba has emerged as one of China's leading AI players, proving its resilience and ability to adapt. Oil prices fall as Russia-Ukraine peace progress lifts global market sentiment. Oil prices declined as encouraging signals emerged from the Russia-Ukraine peace process, prompting a sharp reaction in global energy markets. Reports that Ukraine broadly agreed to the U.S. proposed peace framework pushed Brent down to $62.48 per barrel, and WTI to $57.95. On Wall Street, U.S. stocks rose for a third straight session, with the Dow Jones jumping over 664 points amid expectations of a Fed rate cut following weak economic data. Investors viewed bad news as good news, as soft retail sales, PPI, and private sector job losses strengthened the case for a 0.25-point rate cut in December. This boosted market sentiment. Although AI stocks remain under pressure, and all three major indices are still on track for a down month, crypto VC funding surges as investor confidence slowly returns. According to Galaxy Digital, venture capital funding for crypto reached $4.65 billion in Q3, the second highest level since the collapse of FTX in 2022. Alex Thorne noted that capital inflows jumped 290% quarter-over-quarter, with stablecoins, AI, blockchain infrastructure, and trading platforms leading in both deal volume and value. Despite a market downturn, pre-seed rounds remain steady, signaling improving long-term confidence. Just 7 mega deals accounted for half of all capital, including $1 billion for Revolut and $500 million for Kraken. Capital is also shifting toward more liquid assets like spot Bitcoin ETFs. The U.S. dominated the landscape with 47% of total investment. Galaxy Digital believes that if regulatory clarity continues to improve, VC funding could accelerate further in the coming quarters. Vietnam's digital economy surges to $39 billion, leading Southeast Asia in AI adoption. According to the latest Economy SEA 2025 report by Google, Temasek, and Bain, Vietnam's digital economy is expected to reach $39 billion in 2025, up 17%, and ranking second in Southeast Asia. E-commerce remains the core driver, surpassing $25 billion, while transport, food delivery, and online media all post double-digit growth. Digital financial services are accelerating, with total digital payments projected at $178 billion, reflecting a rapid shift toward cashless transactions. The strongest highlight is AI adoption. 81% of Vietnamese users interact with AI daily, the highest in the region, driving a 78% surge in AI-integrated product revenues. Vietnam now hosts over 40 AI startups and has attracted $123 million in private investment. With video commerce growing 60% and a young tech-savvy population, Vietnam is emerging as one of Southeast Asia's fastest expanding digital economies.